879 Carnival Avenue. We are in a really desirable area of South Las Vegas. We have 2 satellite dishes here that we would want to remove. That is a blue house across the street. Trailer in that house. We definitely want to power wash the driveway. Looks like they just laid this grass. So this flooring looks new from what I can tell. Okay, these are the correct blinds, 2.5 inch faux wood white. There's a valance missing here. These verticals look good, but this thing on top is a little bent. So this side of the yard does get a lot of sun. It just happens to be a very cloudy day. Those 2 houses are gray. So it's really important to have this patio cover on this side of the house. Plus we already have the concrete in place and rock. Those are some really big ticket items, so that's great. So it looks like a workout machine here. They could remove that tree and trim their trees. So there's just overall, the neighborhood could use some maintenance. The good things about this property that are very desirable are the location, and it's a 1-story. And it's pretty ready to go. So there's a smell in the house. I can't quite figure out what it is. Yeah, I can't quite figure out what it is. I think there may have been smoke in the property at one point, and they've been trying to clean it up. But it's hard to tell because it does seem like they've been trying to clean it up. Really nice space saver microwave and beautiful counters, upgraded cabinet pulls, and they've painted the cabinets. It doesn't look like the best paint job in the world, but it looks pretty good. They didn't paint the hinges, so that's good. This light may be okay just because it's a nice high vaulted ceiling, so you don't feel like this old dated light box sitting on top of your head. That is a nice upgraded modern light fixture, and you do see that since it is lower hanging. And they did the detail for the backsplash there, but we do need a blind. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it on the video, but the reason I say this isn't the best paint job for the cabinets is it looks like I can just see a little bit of bleed through from the past and little things like that. It does not need to be redone at this time, but I'm just pointing that out. Little coat closet, pantry, or linen closet. So this side of town does have a lot of smaller homes, and we've done a number of homes really close to here, and small as well. They've all done well. They painted a bit of the hinges. It's not a big deal at all. It's just going to come off at some point. So we have modern style handles. They didn't do a very good job there, but not a big deal. Carpet, some stains, a little bit of stretching. Honestly, I think because this is the master, we should definitely replace this. These blinds are warped. It has to be replaced. This vertical looks better than the other one. So the patio cover provides provides cover from the sun, because again, this is the side of the house that gets all of the sun. But we may want to put some sort of window treatment up there. We do have closet door guides. The flooring continues on. Yeah, I would replace the carpet in here as well. The property manager will be the one to make that call in person. We also don't have a ceiling fan. So it's a dual master home. So because it's a master, even though there's two masters, I think a ceiling fan with a light kit would be nice and appreciated. We need a shower rod in here. Maybe replace a drain ring. We definitely need a blind here. That's a window. An upgraded light fixture. So this is the bathroom that guests would be using. That's why we have two doors here. And just to point out, these are upgraded. It doesn't quite match this one and this one. Okay, that's it.